Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to make this awesome flyer, church flyer. And let us start by changing the color of the background to white. Okay, once you have changed the background color, all you have to do is to import the grunge PNG effect, which is going to be available in the description of this video. Reduce the opacity to 21%, and the next step for you is to lock the layer so that it won't disturb what you are doing. Now let us import this guitar we're going to be using. Like I said, all the images used are going to be available in the description of this video. Now activate the guidelines so that you can have this guitar in the middle, so that it will be in the right position. Now once you have done that, the next step for you is to type your text. The contrast of the guitar before you type your text should be 29%. Type worship. So you start with WOR first, and this is the texture we're going to be using. After you have typed WOR, and also the font is going to be available in this video description. Adjust it, rotate and adjust. Make sure everything is perfect in the right direction or in the right position. Once you are done, take the worship below the guitar. That is the worship, the WOR layer, WOR. Then copy it and also edit and add your SHIP. Once you are done that, take it behind the guitar, that is the layer, by clicking on the layer icon above. Size here, everything has to be below the guitar. Okay, this is where you take the layer down below the guitar. Okay, so once you have done that, make sure you lock the layers, like lock the images you have, so that you can also edit it without any further mistake. And copy the WOR text, change the color to black, reduce the opacity to at least 12%, and move the layer below. Let it be the very last, because this is the opacity effect. So the same thing applies to shape. Make sure it's the very last, you take it to the very last layer once you have finished arranging it. I'll just have to change the color, the opacity 12, and of course the layer should be the last layer, the very last one, below everything else. Now if you have not subscribed to my channel, I want you to do so, as I'll be dropping awesome tutorials on my channel on phone graphics. After locking on layers, let us import the pastor's image. You can import any image of your choice, but this will be the image that I'll be using. I take it to the top left corner, or sorry, the top right corner, top bottom corner. This is where you type I will. Type in I will. Take it to the top of the guitar. As you can see, the L is overlapping, so increase the spacing. Okay, so after you have done that, the remaining thing is just the the date and venue, which you can type on your own. But because I was rushing this video, I made the text a little bit big. So I advise you make yours smaller so that it look attractive. And you apply the background for date and time. Change the color to white. The left padding should be 7. Same thing with the right padding. You copy. Once you're done, instead of typing this, you can actually copy, but I prefer typing it. Here you type your date. You can type it anyhow you like, but I just want this to be short. And of course, everything should be horizontal, not vertical like I did here. But because of time, I have to rush this video. Okay, so you copy the date and time. Before this will make it bold, then you copy it and change it to venue. Now, when you're done that, create a new text. Create a new text and type in your venue. Any venue or your choice, depending on the type of flyer you're doing or the venue of the church program or anyhow you want to do it. Actually, this text should be smaller, but you can do it your style. Just be free. It's any way you want to design this. But this is the concept. Okay, so once you are done that, the next step is to import the church logo. Any church logo that you're doing a flyer for. Import it. So after that, we are going to add shining effect, which is on pixellab. So if you're not using the latest version, you may not have this. I'm going to drop the latest version of pixellab for you. Okay, I'm going to make a few adjustments to this flyer, like adding the pastor's name. I'm going to add the pastor's name. It's optional for you, depending on how you want your own design to be like. And also the dates should be horizontal so that to look okay. Alignment should be in the middle, and adjust date and time, make it a little bit smaller, and of course reduce the size of the logo. So we are done. So let us export it first before checking the final. We have to export it to the highest dimension before checking this. So this is the final result. If you like this video, please like